Keheng New Energy Technology Shenzhen Company Limited was founded by Jack Sheng in 2017, who has a Bachelor of Material Chemistry and work on lithium battery field for 14 years. Keheng was mainly engaged in R&D, manufacturing and sales of lithium iron phosphate batteries, lithium drop-in replacement batteries, standard lithium battery module, and lithium battery energy storage system, which widely used in golf carts, RV, marine, home solar energy storage, commercial and industrial energy storage, telecommunication, backup power, etc. Keheng is led by a senior R&D and operation team and equipped with a number of core technologies and software copyrights. With core-independent intellectual property rights, Keheng aimed to achieving carbon neutrality, reducing carbon emissions, and power a green life for the world. Our products already obtained UN 38.3, MSDS, CE, UL, IEC, and other international certification. We have a 2,000 square meter factory which can offer OEM or ODM service for you from small capacity to large ones. At present, Keheng has built a long-term partnership with thousands of overseas customers in the new energy industry in North America, Germany, Europe, South Africa, etc. Our number one goal is to provide the right battery solutions, delivering the most reliable source of power to each customer. We are committed to delivering long-term success, making sure you get what you need when you need it. Approaching every client with integrity to form a lasting partnership.